my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with a gele tutorial today. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated way of tying the bow with the gele. So the gele with the bow, I've done that before and I called it Minnie Mouse. I think I'll put the card up there somewhere, not too sure it goes anymore, but I'll put the iCard over there somewhere. So I've done a previous one on how to tie the bow, but this is an updated way on how to tie the bow. A brown gele, guys, and obviously you need your geles and your pin. So I'm just gonna get my pins out now. Just get ready. You obviously want to split it into equal parts, which is 50-50. I'm gonna split your gele into 50-50, like that, right? And then I'm gonna have some sort of pleats going on, so I'm gonna do my pleats. Right, so that's my pleats, guys. And then for this one, you start from behind your head. So I'm just gonna take this one off now, and from behind my head, I obviously, like always, use my neck and hold this one and just follow the pleats all the way to the top. I just shift that all the way, I bring it across, and then squash it and get that one ready. And I just do that, twist it and bring it all the way to the back. No, not to the back, right under this one. I use my shoulder to hold this one. That's the first one, and then I do the second one. I'll come the same thing, just follow the pleats that I already have, which is there, and then all the way bring it to the top. Like this, guys. And then squash it. So now, and just gently bring that one back, right? So here we are. Hey guys, I can try and adjust it so it sits well on my head, and then I tie it. So I've got my knots here. Just come closer to make sure everything is in place. So I've got my 3 pleats here, I've got my 3 pleats here as well. It's almost looking like 4. 3 pleats, so it's just a 3 pleats, it's nothing too much. Okay, so I've got that. Oh, be careful with my makeup so I don't rub that off. Make sure it's properly tied. And then I bring this one, making sure the end of it, the one that's been turned, is on the inside. Obviously take this to the back so you can see. And you fold it like an envelope or a paper or wrapping paper or gift, you know. Fold it in. Depending on how big you want your bowl to be, then you fold it that size. Understand? So here we are. So there's my folded bits. I'm just going back a bit. Here's the folded bits, and then I take this and then swing it all the way to the back. Obviously arrange it properly. I want it pleated as well. Just have it pleated like so. There we go. Tucking all of the edges in. Okay, make sure this is nice and steady. So depending on how you want your bow to be, like all sort of tucked in, not tucked in, sort of thing, but yeah. And then what you want to do with this extras, you're just gonna make sure it's nice and clean over here. You do the same, roll it in nicely. So you want the back of your gilly to look nice. When you've done that, just get the pins and you use the pins to secure it. So I'm going to use my pins to secure this so it does not move or shake. So here's me using my pins to secure it. I hope you guys can see. Oh my god, I can't show. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, some pins. Okay, for me that is secured enough. So now I come here as well and try and pin it so I can get that look, that sweet look over here. Okay, and then you can already see it's already coming true, it's coming together. So now I just neatly arrange this, the bowl that I've got. Okay guys, so this is my updated version, or this is my updated way on how to tie a bow using the gilly. I'm just going to give you guys a 360 so you can see properly. So here we are. So you guys can see. So guys, so this is the end of today's gilly tutorial. Do let me know in the comment down below what you want to see, what styles you want to see. If you want me to recreate a gilly look or a gilly style, you can always send it through to me via DM on my Instagram, which is at Lizzie Atkins. That's the same thing as my YouTube channel name. If you watched the video all the way till the end, do well to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification of time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new gilly tutorial videos, makeup videos, vlog, and any other videos. I'll see you in the next video.